world of agriculture and heavy equipment has evolved dramatically over the years, with cutting-edge machines transforming industries across the globe. Whether you're a farmer aiming for a more efficient harvest, a construction manager handling large-scale projects, or simply an enthusiast for technology, these machines are at the forefront of innovation. In this video, we'll explore the top 10 most impressive machines that are shaping the future of farming, land management, and construction. Number 10. Plugger MKC4 TR Harvester. Kicking off our list is the Plugger MKC4 TR Harvester, a formidable agricultural machine that works like a robotic chef, harvesting with incredible speed and precision. Designed to operate on large farms, the Plugger features a 12-ton working width and an incredibly powerful motor capable of processing up to 5 acres per hour. What sets this harvester apart is its advanced cleaning system, which ensures that every grain is neatly collected and stacked, minimizing waste and maximizing efficiency. Farmers have long sought ways to reduce the time and effort spent on harvesting, and the Plugger MKC4 TR is the solution. With this machine, fields that would have taken days to harvest manually can now be cleared in just a few hours. Its intuitive design and ease of use make it accessible even to those who aren't experienced with heavy machinery, making it a game changer for farms of all sizes. Number 9. K&K Enterprises Tree Transplanter. For those working in landscaping or forestry, the K&K Enterprises Tree Transplanter is an indispensable tool. Traditionally, tree transplanting has been a labor-intensive task, requiring careful handling to avoid damaging the roots or trunk. This machine changes the game by making tree transplanting as easy as driving a tractor. Compatible with compact and subcompact tractors, it can efficiently move trees of various sizes, turning what was once a day-long process into a simple, quick operation. The beauty of this tree transplanter lies in its precision. The machine carefully lifts trees, ensuring that the root system remains intact during the move, which dramatically increases the chances of successful replanting. Whether you are reforesting an area, designing a landscape, or moving trees to optimize orchard spacing, this machine is a must-have for saving time and improving outcomes. Number 8. Kohler & Miller Single Shank Deep Ripper. This is perfect for serious soil treatment. Designed to penetrate deep into the earth, this ripper breaks up compacted soil layers, leaving behind loose, airy soil that is ideal for planting. Soil compaction is a significant issue in agriculture, as it can hinder root growth, reduce water absorption, and negatively impact crop yields. The Deep Ripper addresses this problem by loosening the soil down to its deepest layers, improving conditions for plant roots to thrive. Farmers who use the Single Shank Deep Ripper report significant improvements in soil health, which translates into better crop growth and yields. The machine's design also allows it to be easily integrated into existing agricultural equipment setups, making it a practical investment for any large-scale farming operation. Number 7. Vermier TG7000 Tub Grinder. At number 7 is the Vermier TG7000 Tub Grinder, an industrial strength machine built for the toughest wood recycling and land clearing jobs. Powered by a massive 1,000 horsepower Caterpillar engine, this machine can effortlessly turn wood waste into mulch, transforming what would otherwise be a disposal issue into valuable material. Whether you're clearing trees, managing brush, or dealing with wood debris from construction projects, the Vermier TG7000 gets the job done faster and more efficiently than traditional methods. What sets the TG7000 apart is its ability to handle enormous volumes of wood waste, making it indispensable for land management and recycling operations. By reducing the time spent processing wood and producing high-quality mulch, this machine not only increases productivity, but also promotes sustainability by turning waste into usable materials. Number 6. Liebherr Crawler Cranes. These cranes have earned their place as a cornerstone in the construction industry. Known for their incredible lifting capacity and precision, these cranes are used in some of the largest construction projects around the world. The OR11350 model, for instance, can handle extra heavy loads, making it an essential tool for constructing skyscrapers, bridges, and large-scale infrastructure projects. What makes Liebherr crawler cranes particularly valuable is their ability to operate with precision. In construction, every lift must be perfectly executed, as even the slightest error can lead to costly delays or accidents. These cranes are designed to provide the highest level of control, ensuring that each lift is safe, efficient, and successful. Whether you are building high-rise structures or managing complex infrastructure projects, Liebherr cranes are indispensable for heavy lifting tasks. Number 5. Maruka MST 1000 VDL Transporter. When it comes to transporting heavy loads across tough terrains, this transporter is an industry leader. With a payload capacity of over 12,000 pounds, this all-terrain transporter is perfect for construction sites, mining operations, and large-scale agricultural projects. Its powerful Caterpillar engine ensures reliable performance, even in the most challenging conditions. What makes the MST 1000 VDL so impressive is its ability to navigate uneven, muddy, or rocky terrain with ease. Other transport vehicles might struggle in such environments, but this machine is designed specifically to handle rough conditions, ensuring that your heavy loads get where they need to go without delay. Whether you are moving construction materials or transporting harvested crops, the MST 1000 VDL delivers reliable, consistent performance. Number 4. XC7000 Mining Excavator. At number 4 is the XC7000 Mining Excavator from XCMG, the largest tonnage excavator of its kind. Designed for the demanding requirements of large-scale mining operations, this machine is built to endure heavy use and harsh conditions. Its dual power systems optimize energy efficiency, while the built-in fault monitoring and self-diagnosis systems allow operators to perform real-time checks on the machine's condition, reducing the risk of breakdowns. With its enormous capacity and cutting-edge technology, the XC7000 is the go-to excavator for mining companies looking to boost productivity. Its ability to dig deep into the earth and handle large quantities of material makes it essential for mining projects, where efficiency and reliability are crucial to success. Number 3. GATRX 800 Mueller. This is an all-terrain, self-propelled Mueller designed for clearing land and preparing sites for construction or agricultural use. Equipped with a 765 horsepower Caterpillar engine, this machine can handle anything from dense vegetation to stone removal, making it perfect for creating fire breaks, clearing trees, and preparing land for development. The track system ensures that the weight of the machine is distributed evenly across the soil, preventing compaction. This helps maintain soil health while efficiently clearing large areas. With its versatility and high performance, this is a must-have for contractors and landowners looking to clear and prepare land quickly and effectively. Number 2. Gruner Stilt Cultivator. One of the most innovative weeding tools on the market, the Gruner Stilt Cultivator earns its spot at number 2. This unique machine moves through your crops with ease, eliminating weeds with precision while preserving the soil. Weeds can compete with crops for water, nutrients, and sunlight, making them a significant threat to agricultural productivity. The Gruner Stilt Cultivator offers an efficient and environmentally friendly solution for weed control, allowing farmers to maintain healthy crops without resorting to chemicals. Designed to be highly efficient, this cultivator reduces the time and effort required for weeding, making it a valuable tool for both small and large farms. With its ability to remove weeds quickly and without harming crops, it's an essential machine for any modern agricultural operation. Number 1. Panther T14R Track Carrier. Taking the top spot on our list is the Panther T14R Track Carrier, a machine that combines power, precision, and adaptability. Ideal for both construction and agricultural projects, this track carrier features a unique rotating platform that allows materials to be placed exactly where they are needed, reducing the time and effort required for complex tasks. Whether you're working on beach restoration, environmental projects, or construction, the Panther T14R can handle it all with ease. The machine's versatility extends beyond its rotating platform. Its powerful engine and durable track system make it capable of handling challenging terrains, from sandy beaches to rocky landscapes. The Prino Panther T14R is the perfect combination of strength, efficiency, and innovation, making it the ultimate tool for any job that requires precision and power. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed watching about these cutting-edge machines, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to stay updated with the latest innovations in heavy equipment and agriculture. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.